Smart homes deserve cleaning that runs itself while you focus on better things. Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner UK options combine strong suction, smart mapping, and automatic scheduling to keep floors spotless with minimal effort. Discover reliable picks that handle dust, pet hair, and daily mess effortlessly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. ROPVACNIC 5200 PA Robot Vacuum. The ROPVACNIC 5200 PA Robot Vacuum is designed to make everyday floor cleaning easier with its practical combination of vacuuming and mopping capabilities. This 2-in-1 device uses electronically controlled mopping technology that helps maintain the right amount of moisture on the floor, allowing it to remove dust, footprints, and light stains more effectively than basic robot cleaners. It also includes an upgraded high-capacity water tank with a 4-stage adjustable water flow system, giving users the ability to control how much water is used depending on the floor type or cleaning needs. With a powerful 5200 PA suction system and a 3-point cleaning structure, the vacuum is capable of picking up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from a variety of surfaces, including hardwood floors, tiles, and low-pile carpets. The compact design allows it to move easily into corners and under furniture, where traditional vacuums often struggle to reach. Smart control features make daily cleaning simple, as users can schedule tasks and change cleaning modes through a smartphone app. It also supports voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant, adding extra convenience. The robot automatically detects obstacles, adjusts its path, and returns to the charging dock when the battery is low, providing a reliable hands-free cleaning experience.
Number 2. MAMNV Carpet Robot Vacuum. The MAMNV Carpet Robot Vacuum is built for households that want powerful cleaning performance combined with advanced smart features. This 3-in-1 device can sweep, vacuum, and mop simultaneously, helping reduce cleaning time while delivering thorough results. One of its most impressive features is the extremely strong 11,500 POW suction power, which easily lifts embedded dirt, pet hair, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The dual tank system includes a 230 milliliter dust container and a 240 milliliter water tank, allowing the robot to vacuum and mop in a single pass. Advanced LiDAR navigation technology enables the vacuum to scan and map the layout of your home with precision. Using the companion app, users can create detailed multi-floor maps, assign cleaning routines to specific rooms, and set no-go zones to avoid delicate areas or pet feeding spots. With a long runtime of up to 160 minutes, the robot can cover large areas before returning to recharge. A standout feature is the self-emptying base station, which automatically transfers collected dirt into a large dust bag capable of holding up to 70 days of debris. Additional features such as carpet auto boost suction, quiet operation mode, and edge cleaning help ensure a consistent and thorough cleaning performance throughout the home.
Number 3. Tickham G8000 Robot Vacuum. The Tickham G8000 Robot Vacuum is a versatile cleaning device designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping tasks in a single run. With a strong 5000 PA suction system, it effectively removes dust, pet hair, crumbs, and everyday debris from various floor surfaces, including hardwood, tile, and short or medium pile carpets. The vacuum comes with a combined 450 milliliter dustbin and 300 milliliter water tank, allowing it to vacuum and mop simultaneously, which significantly reduces the time needed for routine floor cleaning. This efficient design helps keep living spaces tidy without requiring multiple cleaning devices. The robot offers multiple control options, including a mobile app, remote control, voice commands, and onboard buttons, making it easy for different users in the household to operate. 4 cleaning modes, spot, edge, zigzag, and manual, allow the robot to adapt to different cleaning needs. The zigzag navigation pattern helps maximize coverage so fewer areas are missed during operation. With a slim profile measuring only 2.99 inches in height, the vacuum can easily move under furniture such as beds, couches, and cabinets.
Built-in smart sensors help the robot avoid collisions with obstacles and prevent falls near stairs. Combined with a battery life of up to 150 minutes and automatic self-recharging, the Tickham G8000 offers dependable and convenient cleaning.
Number 4. iRobot Navigation Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Navigation Robot Vacuum offers dependable performance supported by intelligent mapping and navigation technology. It features a powerful 3-stage cleaning system designed to capture dirt, dust, and debris from different floor surfaces. With power-lifting suction that is significantly stronger than earlier models in the Roomba 600 series, the vacuum works efficiently to remove dirt from carpets and hard floors alike. The system includes a multi-surface brush and an edge-sweeping brush that help pull debris from corners and along walls, ensuring a more thorough clean throughout the home. A key feature of this robot vacuum is its clear-view LiDAR navigation system, which scans and maps the layout of your home for more organized and efficient cleaning. This smart mapping technology helps the robot move smoothly around furniture, while specialized sensors prevent it from falling downstairs. Through the Roomba Home app, users can customize cleaning schedules, adjust suction power, create keep-out zones, and target specific rooms that need attention. The robot also includes a spot cleaning mode that focuses on heavily soiled areas for several minutes. For convenience, it can be controlled through the mobile app, voice assistants such as Alexa or Google Assistant, or the buttons on the device itself.
Number 5. iMartine Pile Carpet Robot Vacuum. The iMartine Pile Carpet Robot Vacuum provides a practical cleaning solution for homes with hard floors and low-pile carpets. This 2-in-1 robot combines vacuuming and mopping functions to help keep floors clean with minimal effort. With a suction power of 2300 PA, the vacuum is capable of removing dust, pet hair, crumbs, pollen, and other everyday debris from different surfaces around the home. The built-in 230 milliliter water tank allows the device to lightly mop floors while vacuuming, helping remove fine dirt and maintain a cleaner surface. A notable feature of this model is its tangle-free brushless design, which prevents pet hair from wrapping around the cleaning mechanism. This makes the robot particularly useful for households with pets, as it reduces maintenance and keeps the vacuum running smoothly. Smart connectivity through the Tuya Smart app allows users to schedule cleaning sessions, adjust cleaning modes, and guide the robot's direction remotely. The vacuum also supports voice commands through Google Assistant, providing an easy, hands-free way to start or stop cleaning. For additional convenience, a remote control is included in the package. With 4 cleaning modes, Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, the iMartine robot vacuum adapts easily to different cleaning tasks and household needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.